Hi everyone, this is Yogita and welcome to another video of He, She and Baby. In this video, I'm going to introduce a very important product in current situation, that is Dettol Laundry Sanitizer.
You know, it was shocking when I got to know that freshly washed clothes can have germs. Do you know that? And yes, putting them in the sunlight even might not help. But now I have got Dettol Laundry Sanitizer to keep my family safe and protected.
Now, every time I do laundry, I just add 2 cupfuls of Dettol Laundry Sanitizer after the detergent, and all those illness-causing germs are taken care of.
Now with Dettol Laundry Sanitizer, not only my clothes are fresh and clean, but they are germ-free, and yes, they have a lovely fragrance too. So don't you think you should try this too?